Hi everyone, it's Marissa with Bumblebee Apothecary. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how to make a honey face wash. Why would we want to use honey to wash our face? If you've never heard of it before, it might seem kind of strange, maybe a little weird, but it actually turns out that honey is amazing for washing your face. And it has a lot of different properties to it that make it perfect for use on skin. So it has natural antibacterial properties. It has exactly the right balance of being astringent and then also moisturizing so that it leaves skin just exactly how it should be. It helps to balance the pH of skin, and then it is a very gentle cleanser without stripping away our skin's natural oils. Honey by itself is really amazing as a face wash. You really don't have to add anything to it, and you can have really great results. But if you want to get something specific out of your face wash, you can add some different things to the honey and make it even better. Some things that I've tried are a few different essential oil blends or a single essential oil, like for example, a skin clearing blend or lavender. Those are both really nice. You could do like an anti-aging blend or frankincense or rose essential oils. Those would be nice if you're looking for something for more dry or mature skin or something like that. Other things that you can add are powdered herbs or spices. One that I've really been liking and what I've been using lately is powdered rose hips. That has a lot of vitamin C in it. It helps to brighten your skin, even out skin tone, and it kind of works as a little bit of a gentle exfoliating as you're washing your face. So I've really been liking that. Cinnamon, if you have like acne or problem skin, that can really help with that. Turmeric can be brightening to your skin. So you can kind of experiment and just see what your skin likes the best. All right, let's jump in and I'm gonna show you how exactly you make it. I'm going to start by measuring the amount of honey that I'm going to be using, and that will depend on the size of container. I like to use this 4-ounce glass bottle with a pump top, so I'm going to put half a cup of honey into my pitcher. Next, I'm going to add the rose hips powder, and there will be a link to full written instructions and recipe down below, and for all the different measurements for different types of face wash that you could make with the honey base. Once that is thoroughly mixed in, I'm going to add it to my glass jar. It's kind of hard to get honey into a narrow-necked container like this, so I would probably recommend using something a little different, like maybe a jar with a wider opening, but I'm going to go ahead and do this, and just to make it go down in there, I'm going to kind of help it along with this chopstick and get it down into the opening of the bottle. And there we have it in the bottle, ready to use. And now I'm just going to show you what it looks like on your hand, just so you can kind of see consistency, just like honey, ready to use. So you may have noticed if you've looked up any honey face wash recipes online is that there are some that contain things like Castile soap, and I decided to not put that in my honey face wash because I wanted just the properties of honey and then what other essential oils or herbs I decided to add to it. I didn't want an actual soap that was going to strip away oils on my face. So that's why I left that out, and I really like it that way. I think it is best that way. To use this, it's really easy. You use it like you would any face wash. I like to put some into my hands and work it onto my face before getting my face wet. That lets the honey kind of be able to be on your face enough before it actually gets washed away. So I like to do that and then just wash away with warm water. Dry and you're good to go. I'm going to put a link below to good sources for ingredients if you'd like to try making this yourself, and if you'd rather pick up a pre-made one, I'm going to put a link below to my shop where you can grab one of those. Have you ever washed your face with anything kind of different or strange? Let me know in the comments. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. I make new videos every week on living a sustainable, handcrafted lifestyle, and I'd love to have you join me for the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.